say about 15 to go.
Dale Bank, Jamie Smith. Go ahead. Once he's stopped, I'll get a hold of the creek sub there, Dale.
Yeah, you can do it anytime he's on the switch here, so.
Okay, I'll call him.
2015 to 10 cars.
RTC Maple Creek subs all ready for the 2816 reverse movement when you're ready for that. Over. 2816 west, you're okay for one reverse movement to the Zen Crow. Thank you, RTC.
Okay for the reverse movement. Okay, 3 cars over the switch. 226.
It's very much better at
2816 1.
Last one, 2816.
well. North track 13
And 2016, okay to stop.
2816 stop.
Mary, it's Saturday. What are you doing working?
Making a little bit of gravy.
A break?
No, okay, find it. Where are you going?
Dude, just push something up here.
Oh, you got the easy one.
All the way we got it on.
Gotta keep that. That's a good one.
It's downhill like a bastard in there. We're not going to stay out.
2816, we're line for the Crow.
650 East, personnel right to the left.
Okay to back up.
9650 East, over.
Yep. I'll wait for about 30 cars over.
30. 2816. Line for the deck roll.
That is correct, over.
Medicine, that's over 9658 East, over. B199 train master Smith. Train master Jamie Smithson, this is the 9712 199 train, over. Yeah, Rob, when you get here, doing my approaching the business train at 10 mile an hour to the station, please. Jamie Smithson, 10 mile an hour, approaching the business train to the station, okay? You want some bell at all, or? Yeah, going with bell by the train here. By the train, okay, thanks, Jamie. Thanks, Rob. Smith out. 712 out. Hey, Madison, that's over 9658 East, over. Train, Master Smith. Master Smith at 460.